So my shrimp is nicely clean, the vein, all shells removed. So I'm going to season with some complete season. That's about 2 teaspoons. Some black pepper, that's about a teaspoon. Some rosemary, that's about 1 teaspoon. And some paprika, that's about 1 teaspoon also. And we are going to give it a nice mix. Leave all your shrimp coated well. So you want enough water, boiling water to this. You're going to add enough salt to taste. And 1 package of spaghetti. You will need to add a little oil, about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of oil to keep your spaghetti smooth. About 10 minutes later, our spaghetti is cooked, strained, so we are going to leave it here until I'm ready for it. This is almost a stick of butter. We are going to go in and add, this is about 10 minced garlic, freshly minced. So about 2 minutes, our garlic saute nice. Give the butter a nice garlic flavor. So we are going to add the shrimp. And we are going to leave this little babies fry. We don't want them to overcook, so you want to turn your shrimp, especially these shrimps are very small. I don't want it to cook too much, so I'm going to take them out.
If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will get notified whenever I upload new videos, and give this video a big thumbs up.
So I'm going to go ahead and add about half a cup of coconut milk and some red bell pepper. That's about half of bell pepper. Wow, this thing looking so creamy and delicious already. Ooh. So a minute later, I'm going to add some spinach. That's about 2 cups of spinach. So at this point, we are going to go ahead and add our spaghetti. Ooh. Wow, this looks so yummy. Ooh. Delicious. Delicious. We are going to add about the next 2 teaspoons of rosemary, and we are going to give it a stir. So you want to leave your spaghetti maybe about for 1 or 2 minutes to soak up this nice sauce, and then our spaghetti is ready to serve with our shrimp. So we have come to the final result of this delicious looking meal. And like I always said, go ahead and try this recipe out. Drop a comment below. Share with me your experience of this delicious meal. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks so much.